Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Teju Edutainment. Now we are learning English through a small story. Let's get started. The story name is The Selfish Boy and the Kind Girl. One day, a boy named Raj found a big piece of bread while walking to home. He was very happy. He sat on a bench and started eating the bread. While he was eating, a girl named Teju walked by. She looked tired and hungry. Teju said, "Hi Raj, I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. So can you share a little bit of your bread with me, please?" Raj looked at Teju and said, "No, this is my bread. I found it, so I will eat it all myself." Teju felt sad but didn't say anything. She walked away. Later, dark clouds appeared and it started raining heavily. Raj had no umbrella, so he got wet and cold. He looked for a place to stay dry, but everywhere was soaked in rainwater. Then Raj saw Teju standing under a small dry shed. She looked warm and safe. Raj walked up to her and said, "Teju, can I stand here with you? Because I am getting very wet and cold." Teju smiled and said, "Of course, Raj, come here and stay dry." Raj felt very bad for how he had treated Teju earlier. He said, "Teju, I am sorry. I was selfish when you asked me for food. But you were very kind to me even when I didn't help you. Thank you for sharing the shed with me." Teju said, "It's okay, Raj. Always remember, being kind and helping others is the best thing we can do." Friends, in this story, the moral is be kind and share what you have with others. See you, friends. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.